I'm back and the pig is back. Now I'm going to show you a dessert, and as usual it's very simple. It's chocolate pudding with vanilla pudding, cream, custard, and you can buy the vanilla custard like this, but I prefer to do my own. So we start with milk. It's half a liter. Like that. Put the stove on. Then, something like this. If I can find it. Because to get it to mix easier, you leave some here. Then you take the powder. And put it here, and then mix it, and then pour it in the pan. Take a fork. There you are. So we just let this get a little bit warm. And then I pour this in. And we want everything. There you go. Then important is to whisk it. And not to forget the sugar that I always do. So you have to put some sugar. Like a deciliter, or no, almost. No, I didn't forget the sugar. And if you want to see more, just like and subscribe. And please make a comment of the hair if you like it or not. If you prefer it pink or the normal one. So now we just wait until this is warm, and you can't boil it, but that's why it's important you have to whisk it. But it's going to be a bit thicker. And then I'm going to pour it in this one. It comes up maybe up to here. Put it in the fridge. And while it's cooling, I'm going to show you to make the vanilla custard. And then, when the vanilla custard has been cooling for a bit, I pour it on top, so you have the chocolate and the vanilla. And it's yummy. I think soon it's going to be thick enough. But before you put it in the glass bowl, it's good that you let it rest a bit here, so it doesn't crack. And while we wait, I'm going to tell you something. I was going to crack the eggs for the custard, and you only use the yolks. And I told you before, I bought this from my friend, from their field with the chickens. And I cracked one egg, good, and then I was going to crack this. And a like the fake egg they put so the hens understand that they are gonna lay eggs. So that was a bit fun. So now I just whisk this until it's thick. Pour it in here, put it in the fridge. Then you come back when I do the custard. See you soon. I'm back and I put the chocolate pudding in the fridge. Now I'm going to show you the vanilla. So I take same amount of milk, half a liter. Put this on, of course. Pour it. Then here sugar as well. I forget it in this one almost every time. And I take the same amount, 3/4 of a liter. Then to thicken it, you take corn flour. A mess again, as always. I start with 2 tablespoons and then we see how it gets. Then the 2 egg yolks. And then we whisk. And here it's also important to whisk it so it doesn't boil, then it's going to be really thick. And when it's ready, thick enough, you take it off and you pour in some vanilla, or if you have vanilla sugar. And if you like chocolate a lot, when you pour the chocolate layer, let it cool, then you can pour chocolate chip, or you can put white and brown chocolate chip. And then when this is cooled down a bit, you pour it over and you have a surprise in the middle. Now I'm just going to whisk this until it's thick. And that's boring to see, so I continue with this and I'll show you when it's ready. See you soon again. Now this has been cooling in the fridge. This has been cooling here. And I actually ended up putting 2 more tablespoons of cornstarch, so all in all 4. Now I'm going to put some vanilla. If I can open it. And I just, here you just pour of your liking. I take a little bit more. That's it. Just whisk this. And now we pour it in here. I do like this so it doesn't mix. Because you want the layering. Ta-da! Looks good, tastes good. Ciao!